I love Otter.AI, and I found a cool thing that I didn't know it did myself. This is the 12-minute walkthrough that I did with my client, getting them ready for the photo shoot and kind of telling them what to remove, what to put away, what would, get in the eye of the camera. As you can see here, there were things like put the Bible away, take the miscellaneous towels away. And it gave me a nice action item, right? Which is pretty good. But it was interesting because I never really paid attention to the AI chat over here. I was able to say, create a list of action items for me to give the client in preparation. And it took my talking notes and it actually put them in the room where they were with what I had told them to get ready. And then it said, which I never thought of, hey, would you like a client ready email that you can use? And it prepared the email quickly. So within 2 minutes, I was able to have a professional email for the clients who also realized that I walked them through their house, that I paid attention to every detail, and that I made it stress-free and a better experience for them. So if you haven't done that, it's something to give a thought to. And again, another way that AI is making our lives easier, but also the client experience better and making us more referable. Tell me what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about this.